The restaurant looks really cozy tonight.
I agree, the lighting is perfect for dinner.
The aroma from the kitchen is amazing.
I can smell fresh herbs and grilled meat already.
The menu seems very extensive.
It's nice to have plenty of options to choose from.
I am thinking about trying a pasta dish.
The seafood pasta here is highly recommended.
I'm not sure if I want something light or filling.
Sometimes a salad with a side dish is just enough.
The appetizer section looks tempting.
Garlic bread always makes a great starter.
I feel like having something vegetarian tonight.
Grilled vegetables here are fresh and delicious.
I noticed they have a special of the day.
Specials often showcase the chef's best creations.
I wonder what dessert options they have.
Chocolate lava cake is one of their popular choices.
Maybe we should start with a drink first.
A glass of red wine pairs well with most dishes.
I think I will try the lemonade instead.
Fresh lemonade can be very refreshing during dinner.
The waiter seems very attentive tonight.
Good service makes dining more enjoyable.
I like the table near the window.
The view of the city lights is beautiful from here.
The restaurant has a nice ambiance.
Soft music adds a relaxing touch.
I hope the food arrives quickly.
Watching the kitchen staff cook is always interesting.
I love how clean and organized everything is.
Cleanliness makes the experience much more comfortable.
The seating is quite comfortable too.
A cushioned chair makes long dinners much better.
Do you think we should order some starters?
A soup and a salad will prepare us for the main course.
I feel like trying something new today.
Trying new dishes can make dinner more exciting.
The soup of the day looks delicious.
Creamy tomato soup is always a comforting choice.
I also like the idea of sharing a platter.
Sharing allows us to taste more variety.
Do you think we should get some bread?
Warm bread is perfect for dipping in soup.
I noticed a seafood platter on the menu.
That could be a good option if we want to share.
The waiter seems very knowledgeable about the dishes.
Asking questions about the menu helps in choosing wisely.
I think I want something with cheese.
A cheesy risotto is always a good choice.
The pasta section looks very tempting.
Fettuccine Alfredo is one of their specialties.
Do you feel like having chicken or fish?
Grilled salmon sounds perfect for tonight.
I am considering a vegetarian pizza.
Thin crust pizza with fresh vegetables is light and tasty.
They also have some unique desserts.
Tiramisu can be a delightful way to end the meal.
The presentation of the dishes is important too.
Beautiful plating makes the food more appealing.
I like restaurants that use fresh ingredients.
Fresh ingredients make the flavor stand out more.
I noticed some gluten-free options here.
It's good that they cater to different dietary needs.
The portion sizes look reasonable.
It's better to have just enough rather than too much.
I think I will try the chef's special.
Specials often have unique flavors not found elsewhere.
I love restaurants with a variety of sauces.
Sauces can make a simple dish extraordinary.
I am tempted by the dessert menu already.
We can always leave room for dessert later.
I am enjoying the music here.
A calm background music creates a nice mood.
The lighting makes the dishes look more appetizing.
Candlelight always enhances the dining experience.
I feel like having something spicy tonight.
A mild curry can balance the flavors nicely.
Do you think we should start with a salad?
Fresh salads can be a light and healthy choice.
The chef seems very creative with his dishes.
Creativity makes dining an exciting experience.
I am thinking about ordering a seafood dish.
Grilled prawns here are always cooked perfectly.
I noticed they have fresh fruit juices too.
Fresh orange juice is always refreshing.
The tables are arranged nicely.
Spacing between tables adds to the comfort.
I like restaurants with a view.
It makes dining more enjoyable when the scenery is beautiful.
The menu design is very elegant.
Presentation of the menu shows attention to detail.
I am tempted to try the soup and salad combo.
That combo is light but satisfying.
Do you think we should order some sides?
Fries and mashed potatoes go well with most main dishes.
I am interested in the grilled options.
Grilled dishes always taste fresh and healthy.
I like dishes with a hint of lemon.
Lemon adds a refreshing touch to many meals.
The seafood dishes look so fresh.
Fresh seafood always has a distinct flavor.
I am feeling like having pasta tonight.
Pasta with creamy sauce is comforting and filling.
I noticed some chef recommendations here.
Following the chef's advice often leads to a great choice.
I think I will have a dessert first this time.
Starting with something sweet can be a fun change.
The service here is very prompt.
Prompt service makes the dining experience smooth.
I like restaurants that have both indoor and outdoor seating.
Outdoor seating is nice when the weather is pleasant.
The waiters seem very friendly.
Friendly staff makes the atmosphere warm and welcoming.
I noticed some dishes are labeled as spicy.
It's good to know which dishes have more heat.
I feel like having something with mushrooms.
Mushroom risotto is rich and flavorful.
I noticed the dessert menu has many chocolate options.
Chocolate desserts are always a tempting choice.
I am considering a seafood pasta tonight.
Seafood pasta with garlic sauce is one of my favorites.
Do you think we should order a starter?
A starter can be a great way to begin the meal.
I like restaurants that have a variety of drinks.
A wide drink menu allows everyone to find something they enjoy.
I feel like having a fruit-based dessert.
Fruit tarts are light but flavorful.
I am curious about their international dishes.
International cuisine adds more variety to the menu.
I love restaurants that focus on presentation.
Beautiful presentation enhances the dining experience.
I noticed some dishes come with a side of vegetables.
Balanced meals are always more satisfying.
I think I will try the chef's special pasta.
Specials are usually made with fresh ingredients.
I feel like trying something new tonight.
New dishes can make the dining experience memorable.
I am tempted by the grilled salmon.
Grilled salmon pairs well with lemon and herbs.
The restaurant has a warm atmosphere.
Warm atmospheres make diners feel at ease.
I noticed some dishes are labeled as gluten-free.
It's important for those with dietary restrictions.
I feel like having a salad before the main course.
Salads are refreshing and help prepare the appetite.
I like restaurants that offer combo meals.
Combos make it easier to try multiple dishes.
I am curious about their homemade desserts.
Homemade desserts usually taste richer and fresher.
I noticed the menu has vegetarian options.
Vegetarian dishes can be very flavorful and satisfying.
I feel like having a light meal tonight.
Lighter meals are easier to enjoy with drinks.
I think I will try the grilled vegetables.
Grilled vegetables have a natural, smoky flavor.